We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at this black with Blkout Pkg 7x14 enclosed trailer. This does have your jack coupler safety chains as well as the breakaway system. Has your 24 inches of black ATP stone guard. V-nose front. This does have a black screwless exterior. It is made of the polycore material. Has two Greaseable 3,500-pound axles. Coming around back, this is wired with LED drive lights. Has your spring-assisted loading ramp. On the passenger side, there is a window as well as the passenger side entry door. This door does have a window on it as well and a light above the door. As you can see, this has the RV style lock as well as the bar lock. Once again, this is our 7x14 foot custom black enclosed trailer with Blkout Pkg. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.